Hello everyone and welcome to the pre-owned showcase here at Gerry Mazda in the Waverley Auto Mall. I'm Senior Product Specialist Dave Halleck, and here I've got for you a beautiful Soul Red Metallic. It's the CX-9 signature. It's in beautiful shape inside and out. Let's have a better look at it. Alrighty, another local lease return, originally from us, and now it's back to be in your driveway. You've got your pull-away block heater cord down below, radar adaptive cruise with the 360 camera, and you have the front and rear parking sensors. Fog lights are LED projection down on the bottom, and then you have the signature lighting around the adaptive headlights, which actually curve around the corners with you. The front hood and the front fenders are all aluminum, which helps with sound deadening and the such. You've got Laughlin X-Fit HP 20-inch alloy wheels with brand new all-season tires. Smart touch access here on the door. Blind spot monitoring in the heated side mirrors. This is real Japanese rosewood, so it's actual wood, not plastic or decals or anything. We use that on the doors and on the console to give you more of that premium look and feel. You've got the power passenger seat with lumbar adjustment in the deep chestnut brown with a nice white piping on the edge to give it more of that sporty look. Split fold armrest, and you've got your Carplay and Android Auto and your navigation drive there. Mazda HMI Commander. Heated front seats, heated rear seats. You have the ventilated cooling seats, which actually draw the air into the chair to give you maximized cooling. Navigation is there, satellite radio, all of your Commander pieces are in. You've got the frameless rear view mirror with HomeLink, black headliner, your moonroof. You've got the privacy shades for the kids in the back, which I don't even think anybody hardly ever sat back here. You've got split fold storage with USB charging, cup holders, the heated seats, independent climate control, and then down on the bottom, just got to switch hands here, you've got a little storage drawer for extra stuff, and then when you grab the shoulder handle here, flip that forward, then that gives you lots of access room into that third row. So this is a 6-passenger. It's the 2.5 liter turbo engine, which is giving you lots of power and performance. You've got the hitch with the 7-pin receiver for your power liftgate, of course. Lots of cargo in the back here. No marks, no scuffs. There's USB chargers for the people in the third row. You've got your cord underneath, little hidden storage, no marks and scuffs up on the headliner. Lots of power, lots of performance, lots of style and grace, not to mention super quiet out on the open road. This is the family cruiser, 10-way power driver's seat with memory. Look at that, no wear and tear on that seat. Beautiful shape. There's your 360 camera view, great view on there. You have the holographic heads-up driving display. You can see it there. It shows you your posted speed, your turn-by-turn for navigation will show up in there. And then you've got 87,954 kilometers. And because it's a 2020, you've got the balance of the Mazda Unlimited Kilometer Warranty. This is the 2020 Mazda CX-9 signature in stunning Soul Red Metallic. You're going to find it right here at Gerry Mazda in the Waverley Auto Mall. Call or text me direct at 204-298-0476 to get your up-to-date pricing on it. And don't forget to like and subscribe, because as we get them, this is where you're going to find them first.